This bracelet is a simple hitch knot or lark's head knot pattern with a twist. For the left hand knots, I'm only going to work half the knot before doing a complete knot on the right and then finishing the knot on the left. And after each half on the left, I'm going to be doing a full knot on the right. So to begin, instead of doing a full knot on the left, I'm only going to do the first half on this side and then a full knot on this side before completing on this side. So to begin, I'm going to do a square knot just to even this part off, but you don't have to start with the square knot if you don't want to. So to begin the main part of my pattern, I want to take the left hand cord and I want to work a 4 over here and then pull the cord underneath the holding cords and then pull that tight and then drop this cord for now and then do the full version from that with the right hand cord. So I want to work over in a backwards 4 and pull through and then under in a backwards 4 and pull through. And then I want to complete the knot that I started there by working this one underneath in a forward 4 and pulling through. So that's completed my first 2 knots. So then for the next knot, I want to do a full hitch knot of this side by working over and through and then under and through. And for every complete knot I do on the right, I want to do half on the other side. So if I've worked under last time, I'll work over this time and vice versa. So for this first one, it was over and then doing a full knot on this side by going over and through and then under and through and then completing this knot, which the first one I worked under, so the second half, the first half I worked over, so the second half is under. And again, put that out of the way and then do a full knot at this side by going over and through and then under and through. And then this one is back to the first part by going over and through and then doing this one, over and through and under and through and then finishing this knot by going under and pulling through. And you want to keep repeating these steps all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So every time you've done one half of your knot at this side, you want to do a full knot at this side. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be, if you've started with a square knot, you can finish with one just to make the ends match. And then you can trim and seal the excess at either side. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you prefer. So once you've finished, you can add a knot at the ends if you want, or a bead just to add a little bit of extra detail, and you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed bracelet.